my little friend.
Let's learn English together. Let's learn English together.
Hello, Lily.
Lily! Hello, Bunny.
How are you?
I'm happy. I'm happy.
Great! What about you?
Wow!
I'm fine. I'm fine. Great! That's great! That's great!
Yay!
Let's play! Let's play! Wonderful! Wonderful! Awesome!
Awesome!
Awesome! Awesome! How are you? That's right! What about you? Great job! Which one is correct? Excellent! Point to happy. That's right! Great job!
See you next time.
Bye-bye!